2014 Toyota Scion FR-S. Guess same thing as a Subaru BRZ. Just replaced this part, electrical power steering box. It was making a clunking noise when you turn the steering wheel. That's how I replaced it. Now I do have a whole video of how it's done. Now what I wanna show is the steering position, like that. Yeah, looks fairly straight. Yeah. Okay, now let's go right. 1 1/4. We got 450, 451. Now going back to center. 0. Well, that's how it is. Let's go left. 1 1/4. And what we got? 450, 451. So we are exactly in the center. Now let's make sure it works. Yes, works. It's all done. Now it just needs an alignment, and that's it. No more weird clunking noise. Alright, thank you.